Nines and tens, they don't want no slob. Sorry to bust your bubble, buddy, but they don't want no slob. They don't find that sexually attractive. They not getting aroused by that. Their box is not getting watery.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Darren back at it with a play-ass video. Now, before we get into the video today, y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @WhenDarren.
I don't think some of y'all understand. You have no choice but to get in shape. Let me say that again. You have no choice but to get in shape. There's no ifs, ands, or buts, right? Guys, the reason why some of y'all is struggling with women because you fat as shit. You look sloppy. You got a so-called dad bod. Bro, stop listening to these 304s. Stop listening to them. They only lying to you to use you and abuse you. That's it. Right? That is it. They only trying to use you, so they gonna tell you sweet little nothings. Oh yeah, get it? Have a dad bod. Oh yeah, be fat. I like a dude with a fat stomach, a little pudge. I like him. They make me warm. Right? They make me warm. It's cold outside. I need somebody to cuddle with. Right? Bruh, stop listening to that bullshit. Stop listening to that. Stop. Right? Because they only telling you that because they know you don't have no options for real. Right? Women see, like, guys, I want y'all to understand. Women like to always have the upper hand, right? They always want to have the upper hand. Women do not like to feel like the dude they with has the upper hand on them. They don't like to feel like that because they have to put in more work, right? Women are really lazy for real. They don't want to do shit. They just want to sit back, kick their feet up, and just get whatever they want, right? That's women, right? That is women, guys. So by you being in shape, you're going to make the bitch work. You're going to make her work. She's going to constantly try to please you. She's going to constantly please you. She's going to always look her best self. She's going to always have her best behavior. The reason why some of y'all dudes be getting treated like shit because you out of shape. You fat as fuck, right? She knows you don't have no options. Deep down, she knows that other bitches, other women do not want no fat slob, no dad bod. They know that. They know that. They only telling you that so they can do what the fuck they want to do while they still have a man at home, right? They only tell you that so they can do what the fuck they want to do while they have a man at home, right? When she out with her single friends, her 304 friends, guess who she's out with? Guess who she's getting pounded and getting stroked by? She's getting stroked by me. She's getting stroked by dudes like me. That's very in shape, right? That's very in shape. That's ripped as fuck, right? Guys, I don't think y'all understand, bro. You got to get ripped as fuck if you trying to date nines and tens. Right? Nines and tens, they don't want no slob. Sorry to bust your bubble, buddy, but they don't want no slob. They don't find that sexually attractive. They not getting aroused by that. Their box is not getting watery. Right? A lot of y'all dudes like, damn, I had smashed this girl, but her box felt like sandpaper. Duh, nigga, because she's not aroused by you. You're not making her aroused. You're not making her aroused. Her box is not getting watery because she don't find you sexually attractive. She's only with you because you have something. Either you have a lot of money or you have a lot of clout, right? Them the only two. Them the only two. She don't find you sexually attractive, so she's gonna fucking use you, right? Oh, this dude, look, this dude, he not really attractive like that, but I'm gonna tell him a little sweet nothing so he can give me whatever I want. Oh, hey, honey, I want a Birkin bag. Can you buy me a Birkin bag? $30,000 down the drain. Hey, baby, can you take me to Ruth Chris so I can buy this big ass steak? I want this steak. I want that steak. I want this steak. $500 down the drain. You know what I'm saying? Like, they only using you. See, guys, like, some of y'all dudes haven't felt a woman chasing you before, right? Some of y'all dudes just haven't felt that because you never been in shape. You don't know what that feels like. Taking your shirt off and you walking down the beach and bitches just looking at you. Bitches damn near drooling. Bitches want to touch y'all on your body and shit because you look so good, right? Guys, I want you to understand. A lot of dudes is not in shape. A lot of dudes is not in shape. So by you being in shape, you separate yourself from the most. You separate yourself from the most. Which means, bitches, you gonna have more bitches than the average person because you simply in shape. Just simply in shape. Just imagine, you in shape, then on top of that, you put that shit on and you know how to talk that shit in her ear. Nigga, you gonna get her fucking... Bruh, she's gonna have a fucking orgasm right in front of you, right? She's gonna have a fucking orgasm right in front of you because you have everything. You checking off all the fucking boxes, right? You checking off all the boxes. A lot of dudes can't check off all the boxes, right? And see, guys, like, some of y'all dudes like, oh, I know this fat person. It's fat comedians. It's fat people that got money, that got hella bitches. Bruh, because they have something. They have something. Women want whatever that man has. If he got a lot of clout, guess what she wants? A lot of clout. If this dude got a lot of money, guess what she wants? The dude with a lot of money, right? But she's not sexually attracted to him. She's not aroused by him, right? When they smashing each other, she's not finna get him that sloppy toppy. She's gonna give him that dry head. She's gonna give him that dry head. The head that she's barely even trying. She's not even trying for real, right? Guys, if you get in shape, watch how these bitches try to suck your skin off. Bruh, these bitches gonna suck your skin off if you a dude that's in shape. They going to, because they deep down they already know, okay, this dude right here, he gets a lot of women. So let me try to do my best. Let me try to do my best to please him so he won't go nowhere. Guys, I promise you, if you got a girl right now and you fat as hell or you got a dad bod, please don't bring a girl around me, because I will take your bitch. I will take your bitch if she sees me, right? Or dudes that's like me will take your bitch. We gonna take your girl. We gonna take your girl. We look way more better than you, right? Nigga, I can take my shirt off right now. Bitch is gonna be choosing. You take your shirt off right now, bitch is gonna be looking away. Bitch is gonna be looking away. Bro, you need to get in shape right now, especially if you got a girl, bro. You need to get in shape right now, like fast, quick, and hurry, or she will cheat on you. She will leave you, right? A lot of y'all dudes be getting cheated on and abused and shit like that because y'all just not in shape. Y'all not in shape, so she's going to fucking leave you. She's like, why am I with this loser? He don't want to do shit but just eat up all the food and sit on the fucking couch and just cuddle up with me. That's all he want to do. This dude is so boring. What the fuck was I thinking being with him, right? So guess what I'm finna do? I'm finna cheat on him and go find some Tyrone, some Chad, and go smash them because they in shape and they never get tired. This dude right here, the dude I'm with, he always get tired. So guess what? She's going to leave you, guys. That is how women think. That is how women think. And then you fat as hell with a dad bod, your testosterone not even high. Your shit is low as shit. So you have no drive. You don't have nothing. You not feeling good. You always tired. You always sleepy. Nigga, if I'm fucking your bitch, I don't get tired. I won't get tired. I simply won't get tired, bro. I won't get tired. I do a lot of cardio. Baby, we can smash for hours. We can smash for hours if you want to, right? I can make you orgasm a lot of times if I wanted to. Right, I can keep going if I wanted to. And just think about I'm smashing your bitch in the mirror. I'm looking good. She's looking at me in the mirror. She see the oblique. She sees the abs. She see my shoulders, my biceps. She see everything. It's gonna make her even more wet. Right? Like, y'all is tripping. So just imagine if you in shape and you know how to dress good and you smelling good and you know how to talk to women. You got that mouthpiece about yourself. Bruh, you bitches never going to leave you. They not going to want to leave you. They not going to want to leave you because a lot of dudes don't have what you have. The biggest flex on this earth is be able to take your shirt off and just walk around. That is the best inner flex that anybody can do. Just take the shirt off and just see the abs, the obliques, your muscles and shit, right? A lot of dudes can't do that. A lot of dudes just can't take their shirt off and just walk around this motherfucker. A lot of dudes can't do that. A lot of dudes is insecure as fuck. But look, this the thing. This is what amazes me, right? A dude would be so fucking insecure, he'll be scared to take his shirt off, knowing that he not in shape, knowing that he see all these dudes that's ripped the fuck up taking their shirt off and bitches is choosing, and he still won't put in the work. Like, do that don't make sense to me. You know you not in shape. You know you insecure about yourself, right? And you see all these dudes getting all these choosing sickness because they in shape, but you still not in the fucking gym. You still don't want to work. You still don't want to improve. Why? Because you're thinking like these bitches. You thinking like these 304s. You think you can just sit back and just kick your feet up and bitches gonna come to you. But cold reality, sir, bitches not gonna chase you because you don't look good. You don't look appealing. Right? Bitches not going to come up and approach you because guess what? Women don't really like to approach men like that unless they find them sexually attractive. And guess what? You're not sexually attractive, so she's never going to approach you. Right? Guys, get in shape, bro. Like, looking good is fucking mandatory. It is mandatory. Like, looks are very important. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Looks are very important. Money and clout, it can only get you so far. It can only get you so far. I don't know about y'all guys, but I want bitches to really like me for real. Without the money, without the clout, the status, I want bitches to really like me for real, right? I want bitches to, once they see me, they're like, oh my God, who is that girl? That's how I want bitches to look at me, right? I don't want bitches to look at me, damn, he got a lot of money. Damn, he got a lot of clout. Let me go ahead and talk to, no. Damn, girl, he look good. Oh my God, I want to be with him. I want to have his baby. That's how I want these bitches to think about me. If you watching all these different creators or whoever you watching and they telling you that looks don't matter, right? They telling you looks don't matter, you being in shape, that shit don't matter. It's all about the mouthpiece. Bruh, you need to cut them off quick, fast, and hurry. Cut them off now. Cut them off now. Cut them off now. Stop watching them, right? Because they lying to you. Guys, they lying to you. Yes, a mouthpiece. You do need a mouthpiece. Yes, that is right. Right? That is right. But don't you want to be attractive to all women? Don't you want to keep women long term? How is you supposed to keep a woman long term if she don't find you sexually attractive? How? How is that? Right? Your mouthpiece is going to only take you so far. Right? It's going to only take you so far. Women like a dude that is in shape. Right? A dude that is in shape, it shows without even telling her that you can protect her. Guys, you got to understand, our hard wiring is from thousands and thousands of years ago. Right? When we have to like hunt animals and hunt different people and shit to protect our village, right? You have to understand that. And people that was protecting their village, guess what? They was in shape, right? So by you being in shape, it's already attracting her. It's already attracting her hard around. Like, damn, okay, he's in shape. He can protect me without even saying it. You don't even have to say, baby, I can protect you. It would show. She would look at you like, oh yeah, this dude, he can protect me. Right? He can protect him. He got the capability. He looks good. He's in shape. He got muscles and shit. He know how to defend for me. Right? You gotta understand that, guys. If you fat as hell, who the hell you gonna fight off? Your ass gonna get tired as fuck and beat up. If you skinny as hell, who the hell you gonna fight off? Your ass is weak as hell and gonna get beat up. You know what I'm saying? Like, guys, you have to be in shape. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Looks are very, very, very important. Right? Very important. Guys, stop wearing these baggy ass clothes. Once you get in shape, once you start building muscle, why the hell is you still wearing baggy clothes? Show your fucking physique off. Show your physique off. Show it off. See, this thing, guys, women, they be playing the game, right? But for some reason, these dudes, y'all dudes don't be wanting to play the game. Y'all don't want to play the game. Bitches, you see girls that is in great shape, right? They in great shape. Do you see them wearing baggy clothes? No, they wearing fitted clothes that's tailored to their body, right? Tailored to their body. Make they breasts look even bigger. They wear shirts that's more small to make their breasts look bigger, or that's fitted to make their breasts look bigger. They wear pants that's tight to make their ass look fatter, right? If you a dude that's in shape, wear fitted muscular shirts. Wear fitted shirts. Wear slim fit shirts. Stop wearing these baggy ass oversized shirts. Stop. Right? Stop. Right? If I'm around you and you wearing an oversized baggy ass fit and I'm wearing a fitted fucking fit, I'm gonna take your bitch. Right? And I'm gonna take all the girls that you want, that you find sexually attractive. They're gonna choose me before they choose you. Right? Because you're not appealing. You're not showing off your fucking body. You're not showing off your physique. Show it off. Play the game. Play the game. How do you expect to get bitches if you're not playing the game? How? Right? Guys, we are not women. We cannot just sit back and just hope and pray that women just going to approach us. No, we are men. We have to do the approaching. If you don't do the approaching, you're not going to get no women. You're not. It's either eat or be eaten. Which one do you want to be? Which one do you want to be? Right? I don't know about y'all, but I want to keep eating. Right? I'm going to keep doing the fuck I got to do to get these bitches to get whatever I want in life. I'm not finna sit back and relax and let life just pass me by me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not finna do that. I'm not finna do that. I want it all. Right? I want it all. In order to want it all, you got to put in the fucking work. You have to put in the work. Stop being fucking lazy. Get up off your ass and put in the fucking work every day. You put in the work every fucking day, you get 1% better every day. Just watch 30 days go by. Watch how far you came. Right? 60 days go by. Watch how far you came. You'll look back like, damn, what the fuck I was doing? You got to put in the work to get what you want. If you don't put in the work, don't expect to get what you want. Don't expect to get what you want. Don't expect bitches to come to you. And this is another thing too. By you just simply in shape, men are going to respect you. Right? People are going to respect you. The reason why nobody respecting your ass because you skinny as hell. The reason why nobody respecting your ass because you fat as hell. Right? Nobody take you seriously because you don't take yourself seriously. Right? People that's in shape, off rip, everybody like, oh yeah, he take himself seriously. He in shape. It takes hard work, dedication, and consistency to look like that, right? To look like that, I know he had to put in work, right? So off rip, I'm gonna go ahead and respect him because he respect himself. Why would they respect you, right? You skinny as hell. You look like a fucking pencil. You fat as hell. You look like a fat ass pig. Like, come on. Stop being fucking delusional like these women. Man up. Start understanding and realizing and waking the fuck up. Like, damn, I need some sense of urgency. I need some urgency about myself. If I want to get what I want, I gotta put in the work. Right? So yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this your boy Darren. I'm out. Peace.